Welcome to Vedic Wisdom Insights. We all have heard about Lord Hanuman, an ardent devotee of Lord Ram. He is known for the strength, powerful, valor, wisdom, and remover of the darkness and ignorance. He also bestows Bal, Buddhi, and Vidya. So let's discuss about Lord Hanuman and its history behind its birth. Hanumanji is the avatar of Mahadev, born from the blessings of Shiv in the womb of Anjani, who had been praying diligently to Shiva. And make note, Panchamukhi Hanuman is the 11th Rudra of Shiva. Hanumanji is also the 11th Rudra born with the blessings of Mahadev. Hanumanji's mother name was Anjani and father's name was Kesari. This is the reason why Hanumanji is also known as Kesari Nandan and Anjani Sut. According to a version of the legend, Anjana was an Apsara named Punji Kastala, who was born on earth as a Vanara princess due to the curse of a sage. Anjana was married to Kesari, a Vanar chief and the son of Brihaspati. Anjana was the mother of Hanuman. Being Anjana's son, Hanuman is also called Anjanaya or Anjanayar in the Tamil tradition. There are several legends about the birth of Hanuman. One such is Eknath's Bhavarta Ramayana, 16th century CE, states that when Anjana was worshipping Vayu, King Dashrath of Ayodhya was performing the ritual of Putra Kameshti Yagya in order to bear children. As a result, he received some sacred pudding, which is also called as payasam, to be shared by his three wives, Kaushalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi, leading to the birth of Lord Ram, Lord Lakshmana, Lord Bharat, and Shatrughna. By divine ordinance, a kite snatched a fragment of that pudding and dropped it while flying over the forest where Anjana was engaged in her worship. Vayu, the Hindu deity of the wind, delivered the falling pudding to the outstretched hands of Sanjana, who ate it. Hanuman was born to her as a result. Anjana and Kesari performed an intense prayer to Vayu to beget him as their child. Pleased with their devotion, Vayu granted the boon they sought. Shaivites often consider Hanuman to be the 11th incarnation of Shiva, Anjani Putra Hanuman. So here, we should always pray to Lord Hanuman selflessly. And once you recite the Hanuman Chalisa, that 40 Chalisa verses will give you the Bal, the Buddhi and Vidya. And he will also take you towards Ram. That's what the verse says. Shri Ram Rasayan Tumre Pasa, Sada Raho Raghupati Ke Dasa. And then in last verse it says, Jo ya pade Hanuman Chalisa, hoye Siddhi Saki Gaurisa. That means if you pray to Hanuman selflessly, with intense devotion, without any material benefits, then he will take you to Lord Shiv and we will get all the qualities of Lord Shiv. Jai Siya Ram.